Alright, so this is going to be a playthrough of the second night of Pico's Revenge, the last episode, and also I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Porta-Jammer 5000, because I know it's fairly difficult to learn how to use it without a visual aid, so that's what I'm here for. Alright, now let's continue on to night 2. And the reason I can just start the game and go directly to night 2 is because in the code, as long as my username is either Danvin or Proppy, I can press continue on to the second night. And let's go ahead and listen to myself for a second.
Oh, hey, welcome back. How'd your first night go? Told you it wasn't that bad. You're doing great so far. Now, the last time I talked to you, I forgot to mention the possibility that some thieves might be equipped with night vision goggles. And if that's the case, turning off the light probably won't save you. Fortunately, we've got a portable frequency jammer for you, which, if set in the right frequency, should disable the night vision goggles or any other electronic equipment they might have. To use the frequency jammer, just change the frequency and the jammer should start blinking. After a few seconds, if it turns green, the jammer has successfully found and jammed something. If it stays solid red, then that means the jammer hasn't found a frequency to jam, and you must keep looking. That should be it. Just do the same thing as yesterday. This time, though, if someone enters the building and has night vision goggles or other electronic equipment, use the frequency jammer to disable their electronics so that you won't get spotted. Okay, that's all for tonight. See you tomorrow.
Alright, so you can see this is solid red right now. If we move, oh, the camera turned on. So if you put the jammer down, it'll stop scanning that frequency. So you're gonna have to keep that up for it to scan. So up again, and it's gonna start blinking. And after a few seconds, it's gonna turn either solid red or solid green. And it's solid red. It's not blinking anymore, and it's red. So that means it has not found something to jam. So let's move on forward. And this jammer is just to stop Giga, who is right there right now. It stops her progress and actually resets her progress and puts her back to her starting point. So that's useful. That's solid red. Move on. And solid red. Move on. And the Porta-Jammer puts you in a sort of a predicament, because you can't have the camera up while you have this Porta-Jammer up, and the Porta-Jammer stops scanning if you put it down. And it looks like the camera's about to turn on, so I'm going to go ahead and change frequency. And as long as nobody's out here, I'm fine. Hey, look, there's Tara. Alright, let's go ahead and turn off the camera in my office. Right there. And this should turn orange or red, and then shut down after a while. Alright, let's continue scanning this frequency. And the camera shut down. Good. And green. That means it's a successful jam. Let's see, where is Giga right now? Giga right now. Okay, next time she moves, she's going to be set all the way back to Cam 4. Yeah, she's going to be set all the way back to Cam 4. Even if she's like outside your room at Cam 7. Nope. If you successfully jam Giga, she's going to go all the way back to Cam 4. And then she's going to change frequencies, so you're going to have to find that frequency again. It's not so difficult once you get the hang of it, really. And let's see. Yeah, it's still green. That means Giga hasn't moved back yet. It's fine. Where is Tara? I don't like this. Yeah, there she is, all the way back. And she's got a little sad face. Okay, and if she's all the way back here, that means she has changed frequencies. So I better start finding that again. I'd like to find Tara, though, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Alright, let's go find Tara. Because I am scared. And I don't want to be jump scared. Oh, there's Tara. Alright, so where's Nano? Nano. Ah, there he is. very far away. Fair enough. Alright. We should be... Oh, better shut off the camera. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. I forgot to press the up arrow key. And now I gotta wait through all of this. That is bad. Bad, bad, bad. I don't like this. Well, at least the signal's interrupted. So I can get that out of the way. If somebody comes to the door now, I am done for, because I need that camera off. If they enter the room, even if you have the light off, as long as this camera is on, they'll get you, because they can see you with the camera. Is it done yet? Good, good. Up, and then shut down the camera. There we go. Let's see. Oop. I think I hear the elevator. Oh, yeah, there's the elevator. This is Bing. And there's Tara. And I better start getting to work on this. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this light on. Nope. Okay. Now where's Nano? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and look over here for a while. And as long as Tara's still there, then I'm safe. Ah, there's Nano. Okay, along with Giga. Alright, I got my eye on you, Tara. Oh, I better keep my night vision off. I'm running out of batteries. And I should be able to use that for important times. Oh, turn off the light. Oh no! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Go as fast as possible. Okay. I think I'm safe. There's Tara coming into the room. Alright. That's the sound for leaving. Whew, thank God. Let's see. Where is Nano? Okay, there's Nano. Where's Tara? Oh, I think Giga's getting a lot closer now, too. Oh, there's Tara. Okay. Let's use the Porta-Jammer. Alright. I have to stop Giga in her tracks. Otherwise it could get pretty dicey later on. Oh, it's 5 a.m. too. Okay. Yeah, I cannot let Giga get me this far ahead. And Tara and Nano are both fairly far back, so I should be safe to do this. Maybe I'll give it to like two more scans of different frequencies. Okay, no, I'm scared. Where are they? Wait, I see somebody? Where are they? Oh, okay. So, Tara just disappeared. Okay, come on, I gotta stop Giga. I really hope this is the frequency I'm supposed to be on. Green, 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 green. Ah, damn it. Okay, come on. This has to be it, right? Come on. Come on, green. Give me green, give me green. Or 6 a.m. That'd be nice. But either way. Come on. Oh, no, the camera's turning on. Oh, come on. Okay. Shut down. Good. Okay. That should be turning off now. Come on. Turn green. Oh, okay, 6 a.m. Alright, and that's night 2 of Pico's Revenge, the last episode. And how to use the Porta-Jammer 5000. I hope that this has helped you in beating Pico's Revenge, the last episode, night 2. Possibly later nights, but I doubt it. nonetheless, I hope that this has helped you. Thanks for watching.